So user selected content is very useful, as you can see from here. So I have a catalog of ice creams, and as clients I can actually select different ice creams. So I would say, okay, these are the featured ice creams, and I want to add a mango ice cream, or I just want to add maybe vanilla, like that. So this way, user clients can choose the particular post. In this case, is a custom post called ice creams, and of course you can move that around like that. Put the vanilla on the top. I can move this around like that, and yeah. So basically, what I did was querying the custom post type called ice creams. So it's right here. You can see all these ice creams here, and I'm using both ACF and the MetaBox post fields to do this. So ACF, in ACF's case, is called post objects. So we can do this with the MetaBox as well. The difference is that we need a little bit of code for the MetaBox, as Bricks is not natively supporting some of the fields for MetaBox yet. So we have this go around and add some code, but which is very simple and easy. I will show you for both cases. So if you're using MetaBox, you can skip the video to and then we start with ACF first. So let's look at ACF. So let's open up the template. So it's very straightforward. We have this box. We're looping this box right there, and if you open up the query, we just set the data source to ACF post objects, and that's it. And of course, we're displaying the post title and ACF description and feature image right there, so you can see the picture of ice cream, which is set as a feature image. Now let's go to ACF field. Let me open up the ACF. So you can see here, it's right here. It's called user selected post, and I set the field as post objects, which is important. And also, the filter by post type must be ice cream, of course, because we're doing the custom post called ice cream. And if you want to select the multiple posts, you must turn on this select multiple toggle. And that's pretty much it. Oh, of course, you have to assign the location to that particular template. So here I selected the template. So I selected user selected post ACF template, and this will work. Okay, that is for ACF. If you have any question, just ask me question. Now, ACF users, you're all good and all set. Let's go to the MetaBox. So in the MetaBox, the setup is very straightforward. So basically what you do is to set up a field group called user selected ice creams, and then the type should be post. If I open it, you can see that I selected post type as ice cream. Okay, and I turn on the multiple toggle so you can select multiple posts, and of course I set the location like this. So here we select post type as Bricks template, and the post I select that specific user selected post. Now this is done. And if you go to the Bricks template, here we might need some code, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So here we do the looping. We're looping the box, and if you open up the query, there is a line of a code here. So I will post this code in the documentation. I will leave the link to the comment and also in the description section. So what it basically does is that, let me expand this a little bit. So if you look at the code here, we're using a function called gbGetField. So now gbGetField is a special function, a method that comes with GutenBricks that allows you to call the metadata saved within the block. So use this, you can actually retrieve the block value using the code, right? So this is for the advanced usage. If you're not familiar with the code, you can just copy and paste in the description below. All right, so MetaBox works the same. If you want to add chocolate, mint chocolate chip, awesome. And I want to add some strawberry. Great. So this is how it works. This function is very useful when you want your clients to select a specific post from a specific post types. Thank you.